DCB, Development Center for Biotechnology, is the most important government-funded biotech nonprofit institution in Taiwan. With over 3 decades of track record, our mission is to facilitate the development of biotech industry by being both the R&D hub of the country, the advocate as well as think tank for the state policy. DCB's core competency for serving the industry includes 2 parts, the Research and Development and the Business Development Group. For our R&D, the major focus is preclinical research, covering indications from inflammation, immuno-oncology, cardiovascular, and drug modality includes small molecule, biologics, antibodies, bispecific antibody, ADC, and cell therapy. For Business Group, we help the industry for the partnering, investment networking, collaboration, startup, and licensing. Scientific discovery followed by product development and delivery is our formula in saving lives. Our R&D focus on translational medicine, advancing novel drugs from the laboratory before reaching human studies. Our effort bridges the gap between academia and the industry. We cover all key aspects before moving to IND filing, whereas the validation, optimization of the target in preclinical study or production. We can start from early drug design, from hit or lead compound, whether it's biologics, chemical, or cell therapy. The team can optimize the molecule, including its efficacy, its PK properties, and safety profile. We also have the capability to do a scale-up for initial toxicology evaluations. Let me start with our core biologic capability. This group consists of about 100 scientists focusing on therapeutic antibody and CAR-T therapy development. We cover antibody screening, engineering, to come up with hit and lead, and then perform optimizations as well as humanizations. After the candidate is selected, we can choose appropriate expression system to develop its cell line and process, and then scale up to 5 or 50 liters to supply materials for toxicology study in supporting IND filing. All the molecules are properly characterized by our ILC mass or CEHPLC analyticals. Our pharmaceutical court, focusing on small molecule, equipped with medicinal chemistry to optimize and synthesize the molecule combining with in vivo pharmacology, following by in vitro pharmacology evaluation platform. We also have an integrated core in preclinical study that is open for external collaboration, including the pharmacology, in vivo model, and also with an ADME and PK analysis. Every year, DCB has different assets ready for licensing and collaboration. In this year's BioDigital, I would like to introduce you the latest innovation from us. We have 3 small molecules in late-stage development. For biologics, we have several platforms, including bispecific, antibody-drug conjugate, CNS-specific prodrug platform, CAR-T process, and also our high-yield CHO-C expression system. In addition, our immune oncology assets. With DCB's research focus on preclinical study, up to date, we have licensed out more than 20 new drug candidates, with 10 currently in clinical stage, indicating a 50% success rate. We also have 5 spin-off companies, with 1 publicly listed. In addition to our R&D hub, another major function is our business development arm. To advocate the industry development, we have 5 core groups: BPIPO, the Single Contact Window of the Government for Biotech Industry; DCC, Drug Commercialization Center, serving the academia front, providing IP strategy, market analysis, technology licensing, and collaboration support; For biotech entrepreneurship, our MBIC Incubation Center is the #1 brand of its kind, providing accelerator program for biotech startups. Our ITIS offers decisional intelligence for the government and the industry in Taiwan. The side table here shows the number of key milestones this core extended to the biotech community: out-licensing, startup incubation, commercialization process, and the industry's premier mentorship programs. As an example of understanding for our BD service to academic institute, this specific technology originated from Kaohsiung Medical University. From the beginning, we helped the inventor with patent strategy and execution. After patent filed, we introduced the lead inventor to be the speaker for symposiums and partnering programs in showcasing his asset. Alongside, we work with the technology transfer office and the inventor to set up licensing goal and discuss financial or legal terms. We help due diligence during the licensing and negotiation stage to prepare documentation to get deal going. The deal was sealed in approximately a year and a half, being the highest value among all academic licensing transactions in Taiwan at the time. After deal, we continue to facilitate both sides in further development. Whether our RD or BD arm, we funnel exciting ideas into viable solutions. This concludes my introduction for DCB. Please feel free to come join us for partnering and explore the latest innovation or opportunities to work together. Thank you.
Although frustration and failure are inevitable in this uncharted journey, we endeavor to uncover the mystery of nature and the meaning of life. We open our minds to challenges, attempt to find solutions scientifically, and passionately pursue new treatments for diseases using biotechnological methods. We are the Development Center for Biotechnology. Based in the National Biotechnology Research Park, DCB's core mission is technology innovation, industry development, and talent education. We specialize in preclinical R&D and translational research of drugs, in combination with drug commercialization, to drive the development of the biotech industry in Taiwan. Providing services ranging from technology licensing, contract research, and business promotion. Our goal is to be a professional coordinator of international cooperation. The world is focusing on the precision medicine industry, and so is DCB. Located in the National Biotechnology Research Park, with years of experience in R&D for new drugs, DCB is well positioned to expand cooperation, strengthen innovative startups, and lead the development of the biotech industry in Taiwan to achieve new milestones. DCB was founded in 1984 as a non-profit organization jointly established by the government and private sector. The center was established to accelerate the growth of the biotech industry in Taiwan. Our headquarters are based in the National Biotechnology Research Park of Taipei City and Dahu Science Park of New Taipei City, with our incubation center and industrial promotion division located in Nangang Software Park. DCB focuses on the development of new drugs and established the GLP Toxicity Testing Center, CGMP Biopharmaceutical Pilot Plant, and GLP Testing Facility for Biological Safety in Dahu Science Park to accomplish this goal. To facilitate a complete service chain for the development of new drugs and actively contribute to industrialization, we successfully spun off core facilities by creating several fledgling biotech companies, including QPS, Airgenix, TFBS Bioscience, Magis Biotech, and Taiwan Advanced Biopharmaceutical Incorporation. These startups will continue to play an essential role in the future development of the biomedicine industry in Taiwan. With over 400 talented researchers dedicated to the development of new drugs, we are able to specialize in antibody screenings and humanization engineering, high-yield cell line development, novel bispecific antibody format, drug conjugates technology, CAR-T and cell-related therapy, as well as the design and optimization of small molecule drugs, formulation development, and pharmacology and pharmacokinetic testing. Our main product line emphasis is on antibody drugs, biopharmaceuticals, and new small molecule drugs. There are now more than 10 new drugs with IND approval that have begun clinical trials. To assist the development of Taiwan's biotech industry, we assembled a professional team that offers consulting services with expertise in startup incubation, fundraising strategies, technology licensing, business promotion, and international cooperation. This professional team has facilitated many successful projects in the industry. Speed is the key to competitiveness. With years of experience, we continue to keep abreast of the latest advances in global biomedicine. With the National Biotechnology Research Park acting as an epicenter for cooperation and development, DCB is able to focus on biomedical research to encourage international cooperation, spurring the biomedicine industry in Taiwan to realize its full potential. DCB will always be your partner, tirelessly striving to find cures for diseases to create a healthier future for humanity.